Hello, I'm Kevin Devecioglu, founder and host of the American Business Podcast. As you know, business can be intense sometimes. Sometimes you need to have extra focus on your work. And music really helps. That is why we created ABP Office Music Pod, powered by the American Business Podcast. In the Office Music Pod, you can listen to different types of music during your work time, such as jazz, smooth jazz, lo-fi, classic music, and more. Office Music Pod is designed for you, working professionals, that you can enjoy during your work time. It is right in the American Business Podcast under podcast section on YouTube. Simply, you can scan this QR code and it'll take you to the ABP Office Music Pod. And you can start listening music in your work time right away. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for your support.